Here's a great car. It's a 1947 Mercury, maroon in color, and it's at the Daytona Speedway, the spring version of the Turkey Rod Run, and it's for sale. And it has a flathead V8, which you'll see in a minute. Lots of chrome on that grille. And they do advertise that it's an 8, as you can see in the center part of the grill. This is how much they want, with the phone number. Really nice looking engine. Compartment is very, very clean. Wide white walls, and the top is partially up and partially down in mid-range, and it's a power top too. That's good to know. Looks like they've been protecting the front floor there. Looks like brand new upholstery. Very nice indeed. And this chrome is in perfect condition. And that's the handle to open the trunk, and of course above that is the license plate. And we have protection for that bumper along the side. Kind of curves around. They certainly had big fender skirts back in the day. I think I would prefer it without the fender skirts, but they were popular. And we have, of course, the 4 gauges there with the speedometer. Radio. Somehow I could see Mickey Rooney driving this car as a teenager. Very neat.